1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2. Guys, can you hear that? This is my new baby. I love it. All right. My name is Sidney. I just wanted to say hi, guys. Little bit about me. I love photography, portraits, people, architecture, food. I do some food editing as well, like a side hustle. What else? I'm living in Switzerland, in Zurich, for 4 years, renting this apartment with 2 others. So basically we share. Kind of still feels weird to talk to a camera. I used to do YouTube videos back in the days, but just stopped producing them. Question is, would you like to see more of these? If yes, probably I would go into more filming in the future. Not like photography isn't good enough or isn't enough, but filming is completely different. Yeah, let me know and see you then, right? Bye.